cat under there. Go scare it, Justin. Oh, wait, hold up. Hold up. Where is it? Where'd it go? What? It ran away? I see.
It's the next car king.
You like the cat, huh?
Yeah, I like it.
Look under this car. Where's it? Where's the cat? Where's the cat?
I just saw a few minutes, but then it's gone.
Where's the cat? Tell me where the cat is. Wait, hold on. Wait, be careful. Be careful.
How he got here?
What? Where's the cat? Where's the cat?
Why do you want the cat? Why do you want to take the video of the cat?
I don't know, man. Hey, who's your master or king?
You, King Patrick.
What's my name?
King Patrick.
Good. I thought it was Master Patrick. Wait, be careful, dude. There's a car backing up.
Master Patrick.
Master Pat. Where's the cat?
Whoa.
There's no...
No.
What?
I ran away.
Where's the cat?
I don't know. It like it ran away.
Are you sure it ran away?
I think.
Are you the cat master? Check under that car. There's someone in the car.
Not under this.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, look. We're over here.
What?
We're over here.
Oh, look at the spider. You see that spider?
Oh, yeah.
Kill it with your hand. Come on. Wait.
There it is. I ran through the hole and gone away.
Huh?
I went through the small hole and it ran away.
I see. No more cats?
No more spider.
What about cats?
No. No more cat theater.
Whoa! There it is, Justin, there it is. You see that cat under there?
Yeah.
You see it? Wait, hold on. Wait for those people to leave. The cat's under this truck. Oh my god. Hold up, Justin. You cannot... Don't scare it, alright?
Okay.
Okay, stay here. No, come back here. And then if the cat starts running, we chase it, alright?
Why?
Because we need to see. We're the cat masters, right? Don't we catch cats for a living?
Yeah, but maybe we'll get lost.
No, man. I know this place like from the back of my brain. Or
Yeah, but when it's 9 o'clock, I have to go.
oh, it's only 8 o'clock.
Ah.
All right, let's go.
9.
Yeah.
I'm going with you.
Oh wait, hold up. No, don't touch the car. There's someone in the car. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Meow. Come here. There's the cat right there. Meow. Okay, hold on. After this car, we're gonna eat the cat, right?
What?
Wait, are we gonna eat the cat?
No.
Why?
guys, we're not animals! Oh! What?
There's
I'm
a...
right.
Oh!
Dead, I think. And ran away.
Okay, the cat's about to run away. We need to get it. We need to capture the cat. That's our mission.
Yeah, but maybe the cat will go and scratch us.
If it scratches us, then that's too bad for us. Hey, go scare it away. Throw like something. Throw a pine cone. Oh, that's a cat! Oh, that's two cats! Two cats! We're gonna catch them! Where'd the cat go?
They ran over and they swam.
Stupid cats.
Now let's go back.
Oh, there's one. You see it? You see that?
Yeah. Those are the cats.
That's one cat.
I think that's the king of the cats.
No, I'm the king of the cat. What?
What the?
What are you doing?
I thought that would work. Make the cat come back and scare her.
No, man. Come on, let's go.
Yeah.
What is this crap? Let's go. Mosquito attack. We're retreating. Ah! Come this way. Retreating. Mosquito.
Got the video?
Huh?
You got the video?
Yeah.
Let's watch it.
Alright. Do you know YouTube? You know what YouTube is?
What?
YouTube.
I'm in the video?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know YouTube?
Yeah.
You go on there? Sometimes?
I can see my video.
Oh, you like it, right?
Yeah. I've never been in video before.
Do you know what YouTube is? Huh?
I'm a cat expert.
Huh?
That's because I'm a cat expert.
What?
Hey, put mission accomplished on it.
No, the two cats ran away. See these lions? Whoever made these lions are disgusting, because look at this one. This one, you can tell, because it's a boy. Because there's the...
Peanut.
The what?
Peanut.
The peanut?
Yeah, peanuts where the pea come out.
Wait, what?
The peanuts is the way the pee come out. And that's disgusting and funny. Get it? Funny.
Okay. Now let's go to this one.
Put one more thing on it.
Wait, hold on. Let's go to this one. You can see this one say female because it got nothing. How does it pee then? How does this one pee?
Because that's the one where, like, a small hole, it goes like... Oh, and one thing. This lion is stupid.
Yeah.
And
Oh my god. Freaking mosquito, man.
stupid.
Should I stop the video? Alright, say bye-bye.
And the end.